Hey everyone, it's the talented Mr. Fridge. We're just gonna quickly go through Peyton's fridge. I got him that, and that is a drink car magnet. So this is kind of expected because I know Peyton's house sitting somewhere else, but I just thought when I'm here, okay, this is, I think it's a jar of tahini with no, that's dried up cilantro with no sticker. Some little eggs. I think this might be tea. Peyton loves tea. Sauerkraut, little pickles, miso. Wandering Barred Man. Oh, it's a margarita.
Oh.
2 dried up lemons, 2 cheese rinds.
Oh, this isn't fair.
Water. No, I know it's not fair, Peyton. I already told them.
Oh.
That is a leak.
No, it's actually garlic greens.
That's garlic greens. There's nothing in the bottom 2 drawers. See, look. This to me is so beautiful.
I think a dirty fridge is like the best kind of fridge.
I do too. I love a dirty
If
fridge
your fridge is
sometimes.
dirty, something's wrong with it.
Like this is just like it's haunting me. It's making me feel so. I don't know how to say it. I need to learn how to say things better. Okay. Free-range chicken broth. Ginger elixir. Pesto. Yellow mustard. Mayonnaise. Peanut butter. Classic. Mayomi. Oh my god, my sister likes Mayomi Pinot Noir. Peyton just said it's disgusting, so Gabe, sorry if you're watching this. Salted butter. Olives. More tahini. Relish. Mustard. Capers. Hot sauce. Green salsa. Sriracha. This little goat went to Korea, tangy and spicy, everything sauce. Caramel sauce, that's unexpected to me. A little thing of anchovy paste, I think I've seen her before. Okay, and that's it. Oh, that actually felt so good, and I'm really glad that we were here to do this. Love you, this is Talented Mr. Fridge, and I'm just here to say, like, this is a fridge I love. I'm not only here for, like, big, full, beautiful fridges.